Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you everything about the upcoming Heartopia update because a brand new collaboration has officially been tested. So after the Maltese event, the next collab is confirmed to be Butterbear, which was previously available on the China server. So in here, let's check out the main event gameplay. In this event, you will see a board game where your goal is to roll dice and move the little bear around the board or around the map. And in here, you can collect dice by completing resident requests or doing weekly requests, finishing event tasks, or reaching progress milestone. And if you want to speed things up, you can also buy extra dice using hard diamonds. And if you move through the board, you will earn lots of cookies you will and even you can get hard diamonds as final milestone rewards, and then you can use those cookies in the exchange shop to claim exclusive Butterbear furniture. And in here there's also an event banner where you can pull for limited outfits and an adorable bear stroller that looks like this as the grand prize. And every draw gives guaranteed rewards, and if you get the grand prize early, all remaining rewards will unlock automatically. And then don't forget there will also be a limited redeem code reward with a super cute actions item. And okay, that's it for this info for the upcoming collaborations in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!